Hi, my name is Matthew Hill, and I work at Redekop Manufacturing in research and development as a mechanical engineer in training. I'm here today to talk about the most important wear components you'll find in your MAV-type chopper, your blades. So chopper blades are really easy to overlook when you're doing your harvest time preparations, especially if you're doing them right before you go to the field. There may have been other more expensive repairs taking up your time. There may not look like there's anything wrong at the back of the machine, but it's still a really good idea to go check on the health of your chopper blades. Worn chopper blades won't bust up the residue as much as you want them to. They'll get dull. This is what a blade is supposed to look like, nice, sharp, square edges. And this is what worn blades are going to start looking like. You can see all the wear on the leading edge. So when they start getting dull, you're not going to break up the residue as much. And when you don't break up that residue as much, the chopper's going to work harder, which is going to use more fuel, it's going to take more power, and ultimately it's going to limit the capacity that you have to put through your machine. In addition to limiting that capacity of your machine, you're also not going to be able to spread as well with material that isn't busted up as good. So here at Redekop, we are dedicated to trying to get you the best spread possible so you can get the maximum effect of that residue management in field.